I'm Lindsey Hagan, Senior Director of Business Development at TCG Digital. My career path has been focused mostly in the life sciences space, starting in medical device manufacturing and then moving into innovation and software as a medical device, partnering with pharma companies and med device companies, and then came to TCG Digital to focus on the life science portfolio, still partnering with biotech companies, life science companies, and laboratories to advance their business objectives utilizing our AI platform. What excites me about working in the space of leveraging AI and working with domain experts at pharma companies, life science companies, and innovators is being able to accelerate that innovation through the use of AI. Within my role, what I love about business development and sales, and love being at TCG, focusing on that, and the leadership it provides for me, is the ability to meet clients early on in their AI journey and be able to identify major business problems that they're facing and real business problems that are changing every day in this ecosystem, to be able to work with our very talented team at TCG Digital to map those business problems to aspects of our platform that can accelerate the delivery of solutions that can be market ready, and iterate on those and be able to provide proof of concepts as well as pilots quickly so that they can start to measure impact almost immediately. Because I have a manufacturing background, I get very excited about the use of improving safety for workers in the manufacturing scenario, improving the quality of the product, as most of the products we work on are life-saving advances that improve quality of life for patients around the world. The ability to do that faster and safer is very exciting. Something that I always live by is not being afraid to fail and being able to learn from those mistakes, and being able to fail quickly and make the modifications. And then over time, I've seen immense growth in the ability to act, quickly and being able to grow my career. It's been ideal to be at TCG Digital. That aligns my goals and aligns with my focus on hyper-scaling companies. TCG has put me in rooms with people trying to solve big problems, and that's why it's been a great place for me to be at this time. The advice that I would give young professionals just getting started at TCG Digital would be to be involved in customer meetings and really understand the customer base. No matter what your role is, your job, in my opinion, has always been to focus on customer problems and being able to deliver solutions that directly impact your customers. So all young professionals, no matter your role, the more you can get customer-facing time and be inquisitive about their problems and things that they face on a day-to-day basis is important, and it makes us a better organization. My advice to all young professionals is to make sure to surround yourself with advocates and strong mentors, as well as aligning yourself with business leaders that share your values and share your goals to allow for that growth. And that will give you a lot of confidence to know that if you have some trusted advisors in your space, that you're making good decisions for the long term of your career.